you, Ajay, so much for those updates. Meanwhile, climate activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife, Gitanjali Angmo, has approached the Supreme Court seeking her husband's release. Sonam Wangchuk was detained under the National Security Act and shifted to the Jodhpur Central Jail in Rajasthan for allegedly inciting a violent protest in Ladakh. To remind our viewers, Wangchuk was booked under the National Security Act after the violence in Leh, in which 4 persons were killed and 80 others were injured. Joining me right now, live on the telecast, is Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, what more updates could you give us on this plea that has been filed by Sonam Wangchuk's wife?
Well, Sonam Wangchuk's climate activist Sonam Wangchuk's wife had approached the top court of the country, the Supreme Court, with a petition. Gitanjali Angmo, the wife of Sonam Wangchuk, has filed a petition in the Supreme Court seeking top court of the country intervention into this whole episode where National Security Act NSA has been slapped against Sonam Wangchuk for inciting the violent protest in Ladakh, which happened in last week in September. And also earlier, Sonam Wangchuk's wife has approached the President of India seeking her intervention into this whole matter. Now it is to be seen when the Supreme Court of India will hear Sonam Wangchuk's wife's petition seeking Sonam Wangchuk's release in this whole matter. Currently, he is lodged in Rajasthan's jail, and serious charges are leveled against him for allegedly inciting the violent protest in Ladakh on 24th of September, where few people were killed and many injured in that violent protest. Now, it is to be seen what the Chief Justice of India has to say. As in, Chief CJI is the master of the roster. He will put this particular matter before a particular bench to hear it. Now, because these are the Dashera holidays and the court is closed, court will resume on Monday. The Supreme Court will open on Monday. It is to be seen which bench of the Supreme Court will hear this particular petition.
All right. Thank you, Sambhav, for those inputs. Moving on now.